Net gas failing to stay bearish despite showing a reversal sign on the weekly charts have shown a very good recovery and has now also hit the $3 levels closing at around 2.97. Can we expect this bullishness to continue as we have been bullish in net gas since long? Can we expect it to rise more towards 3.2, 3.5, or there is a possibility of a bearishness in the coming week? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates and targets for net gas. And this is the only channel which gives you 2 updates a day and the targets every day such that you can all trade profitably. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. And yes, towards the end of this update, I will be sharing the trading levels and strategies, so do not miss to watch it. Now look at the 4-hour charts. It has retraced here, forming the base here at 2.6. It is again recovering. But I can say that on the 4-hour chart, despite staying, the bullishness has diminished here. The top of this channel, definitely $3 levels are a stronger resistance. You can see this, none of the candles closed above $3 and thus this should be a greater zone 3.0 to 3.05 for it to break, which will confirm its rise towards 3.1 and beyond that 3.2. See, moving averages here have crossed over again, trading with divergence and bullishness. Also look at the bullish channel here, the lows of the channel now at around 2.8485, which is going to be the support. Stochastic over, if you look at MACD, this is divergent, this is bullish looking upwards. It is showing a V-shaped recovery. It can hit the highs, which means it can move towards 3.2 zone. RSI back to overbought levels. That is again a good sign for the bulls here. Now let's have a look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, what has happened? Prices have come to take the support from the 20 period moving average. It has shown a very good support at the 20 period moving average and now trying to rise. Remember, it was forming a flag and it is now giving a breakout. So this bullishness is going to continue here for a while. There is a stronger problem. But very important for net gas to now break beyond 3.1 zone. This is going to be a very strong resistance zone. And beyond that, certainly we can say that now net gas is ready for another strong bull run here. Now on the daily charts, yes, the moving averages are trading with divergence and are staying bullish. And also we have seen the price is taking support from the 20 period moving average. The stochastic here is overbought as well, looking upwards. The MACD, look at MACD here. See, after crossing over here at the top, it is traded bearish, but it has converged, but it has not yet crossed over. And that is why also I say the zone here at 3.1 is going to be a very critical resistance zone for natural gas, else the prices might try to reverse here. We have to be cautious because see, this crossover has come at a slightly higher levels. Look at the double bottom here, look at the top here. So it is coming at a higher levels. It has a possibility for a little down move before it takes the real bullish zone or it hits the all-time or record high levels. Yes, right now it is trying to converge, but we will wait for a crossover. This crossover can lead towards 3.2, 3.5, but before that possibility of a divergence exists. So we have to wait coming week for 1 or 2 sessions, and thus 3.1 zone you should be careful of. RSI rising and it is looking upward, showing bullishness. Coming to week, now look at weekly charts here, trading in this bullish channel here, hitting the highs. And see, after retracing also, you can say that there was a reversal sign here, but that was a pressure point from the Bollinger Bands, and that is where the prices have closed within the Bollinger Bands. Now it is again trying to put pressure, and now the next candle when it arrives, and if it stays above 3.1 zone, we can say that it is the beginning of the next bull run here, where we can see it putting pressure here on the weekly charts and the Bollinger Bands to expand, and this might try to close at around 3.2. Beyond 3.2 is where we can see stronger bullish momentum to continue. So here the coming week is going to remain a very important week. This will decide the direction for the next few weeks. So yes, if you see it is staying above $3 levels, certainly the bullishness will increase. 3.1, if it breaks, just stay bullish. We will look forward to 3.2 and 3.5. Stochastic after hitting the highs are now looking downwards. This also suggests that there should be a down move and it should retrace before rising. But if you recall, the fall was likewise very sharp, where we have seen it not looking back and just falling sharp. But this time also the bulls are stronger, and thus it is if it breaks 3.1, certainly higher highs is what you can expect. If you look at MACD, the MACD is divergent, the MACD is bullish looking upwards. I have mentioned here as well. See, this is the main trend which is taken after the sharp drop. This is the retracement, and now it is taking the trend again, and it has lot much of room on the upside for it to continue with the bullish bias. Thus, and yes, it is divergent as well. This suggests that the bullishness may continue here. The RSI is rising. That is also a good sign for the. Now coming to the monthly charts. See, on the monthly charts forming the lows here. Also you should notice this is the channel in which it is trying to do trade. Lower highs, lower lows. Where are the highs of this? Somewhere here at around 3.4, 3.5. And yes, this 3.5 is also a resistance from the 50 and 100 period moving average. Right now you can also see the resistance here from the 20 period moving average. Thus it is very, very important for uh, NAT gas to trade above 3.1 zone in the coming week, specifically any move beyond 3.1 and then 3.2 is the next target. Beyond 3.2, the direct stopping is at 3.4, 3.5 levels. Rather, I will say 3.5 levels. So yes, 3.1 zone you should watch out for. Next target should be 3.2 and beyond that 3.5. Now, what is the possibility that it can reach? As you've seen, the support levels here on the downside at 2.8 is going to play a major role. If you see net gas trading below 2.8, we can see it reversing and showing a swing towards this zone and consolidating its position between this zone itself. So coming week is definitely going to remain critical. Look at the stochastic. This has come to oversold levels and is now looking upwards. Definitely sign of bullishness. Look at MACD on the monthly charts. I have been following this for long, and I have been sharing again and again that natural gas is ready for a rise, and what has happened, it has converged, it is on the verge of a crossover. And I have been telling you all that those who can hold the positions can keep holding, and since $2 levels I have been mentioning a buy. In fact, 1.6, 1.8 were the lows which I have mentioned, that now it has hit the lows and the chances of a recovery is strong. What has happened here, that point itself I have mentioned, the reversal sign is here, prices are ready for a rise. What it has done, all 60-70% appreciation already we have seen here, and this crossover can further take the prices higher. RSI is rising. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy so that you can all trade profitably. But before I give you the trading levels, if you also want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 31st mentorship batch starting 10th of June. In this batch, I am going to share all the years of learning and experiences which I have gathered in the form of tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups so that you can trade profitably. Else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals also you can profit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charge, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first, let's talk about the levels to buy. See, 2.98 you can buy. Wait for 3.02. This is first resistance, 3.05 the next, and then 3.1 levels, 3.1, 3.14, 3.2. See, till 3.2 there is a good chance, a good possibility that it may try to restrain within this zone. Beyond 3.2 is where we can see extreme bullishness, and this is going to remain for the next week as well. If it continues to trade beyond 3.2, the next target is towards 3.35 and 3.5 levels, which is going to happen in a, or which is going to get achieved in a stronger, or you can say with a quick movement it is going to happen. But I can see that for the month it may try to restrain. Even if it tries to trade bullish, I do not see it trading beyond 3.5. But these are markets beyond 3.5. You can expect 3.7 and then $4 levels very, very soon. If not this month, then next month. On the downside, where you should sell, I will recommend a selling entry for now at 2.95 levels, but then 2.92, 2.88, 2.84, and then 2.8. So there are stronger support. You can say that you can trail with a 40 cents or 40 pips trailing stop loss till 2.8. Below 2.8 is where you can say now natural gas is turning bearish, and then there will be a drop which can in fact take the prices towards 2.6, 2.5, and lower levels I can see at 2.4 levels here. Yes, it can still reverse, though it is bullish, but a swing is what you have to be careful of for the month and for the week as well, where the prices might try to reverse the trend and stay in the zone. So yes, you have to be careful on the upside towards 3.1, 3.2 zone, and on the downside towards 2.8. These are the levels above and below which you can confirm that the bulls and bears are back in action. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Do watch the twice a day updates. Thus, join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships in order to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week and a profitable day and a happy weekend ahead.